Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can get a solid wave trail in Geometry Dash. So the first thing that you want to do is to open up your application. This step is going to be the same for mobile or computer. Now inside the Geometry Dash menu, you then want to click on this specific button. Now I have to say sorry because I have a mod pack installed to my device, but generally you want to click on the first button, which is going to be this one. Once inside, click on the trail icon, which is going to be the star icon right here. And basically inside this page, this is where we can select our trails. Generally, you want to click on the first option right here, which will then apply a solid wave trail on your Geometry Dash. You want to avoid selecting the other ones right here because as you can see, it will not apply a solid wave trail on your runs. Now you can also change the colors by navigating through this page. Unfortunately, as of the moment, I don't have that option unlocked right now, but generally you want to click on this box right here and then you will be able to see similar settings like this one. You want to click on your trail and from there you will be able to select the type of color you want to apply through your trail. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.